Hello everyone, welcome back to ELC-Studies, and I am here with another amazing topic from History of English Literature. Today we will discuss about Age of Pop, which is the earliest part of 18th century and or the Augustan age in English literature. Pop was the dominated figure of this age. He was the only one who devoted himself completely to literature. Moreover, he represented himself all the main characteristics of his age, and his poetry served as a model to others. Next, we will talk about the characteristics of poetry in Age of Pop. So, the poetry of this age is commonly didactic and satirical, a poetry of argument and criticism of politics and personalities. The poets of this age are deficient on the side of emotions and imaginations, they were dominant in intellect. It was a classical school of poetry which dominated the poetry of Age of Pop. During this age, people were disgusted with the liberalism and frivolity of the Restoration period, and they insisted upon those elementary decencies of life and conduct which were looked at with contempt by the previous generation. Moreover, they had no sympathy for the fanaticism and religious real of Puritans, so they wanted to follow the middle path in everything and which were steered clear of the emotional as well as the moral excess. They insisted on the role of intelligence in everything. Let's discuss some characteristics of this age. So, the poets of this age are most invested in the town and cultural society. They have no sympathy for the humbler aspects of life, the life of villagers, the shepherds, and no love for nature, the beautiful flowers, the songs of birds, and landscape. They preached a virtuous life. They had no regards for the great poets of human heart like Chaucer, Shakespeare, and Milton. And the physical aspects became more important than substance. The closed couplet became the only possible form for serious work in verse. Let's talk about the hero of this age, Alexander Pope. He is the prince of classicism, as Professor Eaton calls him. He was invalid of small stature and delicate constitution, whose bad nerves and cruel headaches made his life a long disease. Being a Catholic, he had to labor under various restrictions. He was highly intellectual, extremely ambitious, and capable of tremendous industry. These qualities brought him to the front rank of men of letters, and during lifetime, he was looked upon as the model poet. The main quality of Pope's poetry is in his correctness. It was the age of 23 that he published his essay on criticism. Next, let's discuss about the prose. So, the prose of the age of Pop is basically the history of the growth of the periodical literature. Daniel Defoe, Richard Stanley, Addison, Goldsmith, and Jonathan Swift are the four great writers of the periodical essays in the 18th century. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe so that we come up with an amazing and upgraded versions of videos.